Sanford introducing 3-layer electric kettle. Premium quality kettle with strong base plate. Food grade stainless steel and single mold in a shell. 3-layer strong base plate with power cord storage. 1800 watts power with 1.7 litre capacity. 360-degree rotatable design. Three-layer structure with cool touch body design. Low boiling time consumption. Steam auto shuts off technology. Wide mouth design for easy to use and clean. Sanford, touching your life every day.